Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a lucrative dropshipping business with Etsy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching profitable niches on Etsy. Identify trending products and popular categories that you are passionate about. Analyze competitors to understand their offerings and pricing strategies. Create a list of potential products to sell based on your research. Choose a reliable supplier who can fulfill orders promptly. Ensure your supplier can provide quality products that meet customer expectations. Set up an Etsy seller account by going to the Etsy website. Fill out all required information, including your shop name and policies. Build a visually appealing shop by using high-quality images and engaging descriptions. Optimize your product listings with relevant keywords to improve search visibility. Set competitive prices that allow for a reasonable profit margin. Consider using Etsy's promoted listings feature to increase traffic to your shop. Ensure to have a clear return and shipping policy to build customer trust. When you receive orders, promptly inform your supplier to avoid delays. Provide excellent customer service to encourage positive reviews and repeat business. Monitor trends and adjust your product offerings based on what sells well. Regularly engage with your customers through updates and promotions. Utilize social media platforms to drive traffic to your Etsy store. Stay informed about Etsy's rules and updates to remain compliant. Continuously evaluate your business performance and make necessary adjustments. Be patient and persistent, as building a successful dropshipping business takes time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.